The Best of Jamaica 2020 New York results show. We asked and you responded, so here are the results of the Best of Jamaica in New York for 2020.
This is Nigel. With the new Digicell International app, he can connect with loved ones in so many more ways. Now, a click with Digicell International is a click to more. It's a click that gives support from afar. It's a click that sends money for the essentials. It's a click that pays bills easily to keep the lights on and the water running. It's a click that brings you closer to them and brings home to you. Download the new Digicell International app or visit digicellinternational.com.
Yeah, New York results. I'm loving it. What's the best Jamaican patty shop bakery? Once again, Golden Crust. Golden Crust is again the #1 place. Where's the best place to buy Jamaican grocery? And I think I know this place, Sam's Caribbean. Sam's Caribbean. And I think that is what completes the, or am I missing something here? What is the best local Jamaican restaurant? Would that be for the New York results? Because the next one, yes.
We are continuing.
Okay. The best Jamaican restaurant, and it is The Door. Okay, The Door. And I don't know the significance of that. I watch our leader on the Jamaicans.com, the leading Jamaican platform for all things Caribbean, Jamaican, and to the world. Mr. Xavier mentioned something about The Door in Ghana, and that's a different place. So Xavier, they have The Door in a positive light here. So the best Jamaican local restaurant is The Door. The Jamaican Caribbean annual event you miss attending most due to COVID-19. And I like the name of this one. The name is Grooving in the Park. 'Cause I'm grooving. Yeah, grooving. I think I'd like that a lot, grooving in the park.
Visit Jamaicans.com for more results on the Best of Jamaica 2020 in other regions of the USA, Toronto, London, and Jamaica.
Since the 90s, Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union have been connecting families at home and abroad. In the 2000s, we did the same, linking generous senders to grateful receivers. And in the 2010s, reaching people in every nook and cranny. Now in the 2020s, when loved ones are forced to be apart, we're here, keeping you connected. Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union. 30 years of helping you connect the dots.